Lab Rats, welcome to Lab Rat Academy. It is Becky and I am here to show you a really cool thing that I found out about oranges. Because when you take an orange, and I put a mandarin just for my tree in my backyard, and you plop it into a glass of water, check out what happens. I'm gonna drop it in and oh my gosh, it is so buoyant. It just floats to the top. But if you take one that is already peeled, like I did on this one, and you drop it in, it sinks to the bottom. You can see that right here. So I found out that if you do something, you actually do some hypothesizing here. Like, why does the one with the peel on it actually float to the top? And why does the one that does not have peel sink to the bottom? And you just think about like some educated guessing. You're like, maybe the peel is more buoyant, or maybe there's something else going on here. And so what I decided to do is I was going to peel off this right here, and you can see that there is a lot of space. There's holes inside of here. There's a lot of space between the peel and the orange. So if I put just the peel inside of here, you can see, oh wow, the peel all by itself is actually pretty buoyant. It floats to the surface. So that means the peel all by itself is gonna float even if there's no orange inside of it. But there's also a lot of air that is trapped inside of here that will cause it to float to the top of the surface too. So even if I peel off these little things and I break them into small pieces, they will sink to the bottom. You can see they're sinking. That one actually has bubbles still attached to it, which is why it is floating to the surface. Interesting. I saw bubbles attached to it. Yeah, that one came off. The bubbles came off of it as I sink them down. So on a mandarin orange, there's a lot of space between the peel and the orange on the inside. And also the density of this peel on the outside is a lot less dense than the orange chunks that are actually sinking to the bottom. Isn't that fascinating? Science is so cool. I hope you guys learned something fun. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. But if you peel it like I did, if you peel it like I did, no, I'm not gonna edit that out. That's so funny. If you peel it like I did, and then you put it in there, you can see what happens. It sinks to the bottom. I'm gonna have to try that again.